Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F684A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up, becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, and your factory trailer hitch is here. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe, and then you also have the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.